So today was midterms, and this is some of the first year's work up here in the open area. And let's see what my studio looks like today. Same as usual here. And here I have my print that I'm working on. Starting to plan this one, started to draw it, started to carve this one. This one has been carved out. This one is the bottom panel that I'll be changing on each of them at the bottom. And this is my first proof of the big one. So there's the carved panels are right next to the print. And as reference, there is my little stool chair. So yeah, it's like 9 feet tall. So I'm glad with that. And here I have my Meninas project slides, and then up there I have some automatic drawings, and we'll be adding more to that sequence. And that's it. This is what I showed today. It went really well. I had really great feedback, and I appreciate every moment and all the attention that everyone gave me. So all good. Hi, Nelson. Bye.